be the first presenter. Ancom Logistik Berhad is an investment holding company based in Malaysia. The company, through its subsidiaries, is engaged in transportation, warehouse, and chemical tank farm businesses. It operates through two segments, logistic and others. The logistic segment is in the business of providing service, such as rental and transportation. It also includes freight forwarding, packaging, and crafting services. The other segment is involved manufacturing and marketing of lower voltage switchgear and investment holding activities. Continue to Ancom Berhad chart. On the 30th September of 2021, the trend line on the graph above shows bearish with 3 price point touch between the end of September and end of October 2021. As its sinking market, the dropping tops shows the company performance has been poor. More than 2 price points are touched by the 0.31 resistance line, making them important. When the price reaches resistance 1, we can see that the bearish trend begins anew. But the price has yet to bearish to the support line 1. Volatility increased slightly in December, but not much, as the market price of 0.129 on support line also pick up and cross over moving average for the short term. Because of this, we expect the future trend to be optimistic, whereas the company past history was bearish. As the market price is predicted to climb further, investors I recommend to acquire or hold onto stocks in order to reap greater profit in the future. As of the end of January 2022, this is supported by an increase in price and a significant increase in volume. To follow up on this, the rate of change ROC indicator confirmed what we already knew. The company's momentum is terrible. It wasn't until December 10, 2021, however, that the momentum started to rise along with the stock price. Traders should start buying additional stocks now because the price is expected to rise in the near future, as it's now showing a positive figure. To avoid a loss, traders are advised to sell their shares on 12 January 2022 since the ROC line reveals a negative amount, which suggests that price would fall. Investors should be ready to buy more shares in the future. As long as the ROC line has not yet entered the second phase of price increase, and the price may rise further after touching the zero number on 20 January 2022. With that in mind, investors are urged to enter the market and either purchase or hold the stock based on the indicator known as the Relative Strength Index RSI, which shows a stock is oversold. Furthermore, we can use stochastic indicators to determine if a stock is overbought or oversold. Due to the stochastic line crossing over the 80% mark on August 26, 2021, an overbought condition 88.8% has occurred, indicating that traders should be prepared to sell their investment. The stochastic line will be below 20% on September 30, 2021. The traders should get ready to sell their stock at that point. In September, when the stochastic line hit 50%, it rebounds back until it hits 20%, at which point it becomes oversold. Consequently, I believe that February's history implies that the stochastic line will fall back into oversold territory when it reaches the 50% mark in the future. As a result, investors should be ready to buy shares if the oversold position returns. Thank you. That's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rana Vidya Sambasri. My ID number is 2020-950-947. The company that I've chosen to do this technical analysis on is the Malaysia Smelting Corporation Berhad. So before we dive into the technical analysis on this stock, let me tell you a bit about this company. So Malaysia Smelting Corporation Berhad is a Malaysian-based investment holding company focuses on both smelting of tin concentrates and tin bearing materials. The company operates through three segments, which are tin smelting, tin mining, and others. This company is principally engaged in the manufacture and also sale of solder products for jointing and also semiconductor applications in the electrical and electronics industries. So the other segments includes investments in other metal and mineral resources. Most of the revenue comes from the tin mining and smelting of tin concentrates, tin bearing materials, and from the production of various grades of refined tin metal and the sale and delivery of refined tin metal and byproducts. As shown in the above chart, Malaysia Smelting Corporation Berhad has a very impressive stock performance where it shows bullish or uptrend from 28 June 2021 and RM 1.75 and price closed at 3.26 RM on 31st December of 2021, which is twice the open price. The new higher highs bull run from February 2021 to December 2021. In this trading chart, there are 5 indicators used to indicate buy or sell signal, that is moving average convergence divergence MACD, rate of change ROC, relative strength index RSI, and also stochastic. So the moving average envelope has been in an uptrend, and the rate of change indicator shows that the stock price is in an uptrend most of the time, since the rate of change line is above the zero line most of the time, with high momentum supporting the rate of change line. The relative strength index revealed that the stock has hit an overbought level above 70%, 3 times, indicating that it is a solid trade. So the first indicator used in this technical analysis is moving average. So moving average indicator is a technical indicator that combines price points of an instrument over a specified time frame and divides by the number of data points to give you a single trend line. It is popular among traders because it can help us to determine the direction of the current trend, while at the same time lessening the impact of random price spikes. A moving average will enable the traders to examine the levels of supports and resistance by analyzing the previous movement of an asset's price. It is a measure of change that trails the previous price action of an asset, assessing the history of market movement to determine possible future patterns. So a moving average is primarily a lagging indicator, which makes it one of the most popular tools for technical analysis. So in this scenario, I chose 20-day cycles of moving average line to increase sensitivity of the movement of the price. So referring to the chart, since the price action tends to stay above the moving average, it signals that the price is in a general uptrend. And at times when the price is in a downtrend and the moving average is in a downtrend as well, and the price test of the moving average line is rejected a few consecutive times, it indicates a moving average is serving as a resisting line. Then as a trader, we should sell on the next rally up to the moving average. Between early July and mid-October 2021, there is a little slowdown that indicates a negative divergence between the relative strength index indicator and the price chart. So the price is rising while the relative strength index peaks are falling. But then the price regained momentum and the price reached its second overbought position above the 70% line. So when the moving average envelope upper moving average was exceeded in mid-September 2021, it indicates that the stock was overbought and the MACD indicator validated it. So the moving average convergence divergence line has crossed below the MACD signal line, indicating a sell signal. So this corresponds to the MACD histogram, which shows a convergence from above the zero line that finally breaks below the zero line. However, on the 14th of October 2021, the MACD line has crossed over the MACD signal line, which indicates a buy signal. Despite the fact that this stock has been on an uptrend for the past 6 months, it does have two support lines. So the initial support line is around RM2.13, but if the stock keeps making higher highs, it will not hit that level very soon. The second support line, which is a key support line, is at RM3.1 ringgit Malaysia. Only in the most dire of situations would that support line be broken. If the stock's price is still not overbought, it might be a solid investment. So the volume is also rather high and shows no evidence of slowing down. As of January 26, 2022, the stock is trading at RM3.44 ringgit Malaysia, which is an overbought indication since it is above the upper moving average, which is verified by all of the indicators including rate of change, which shows it has a strong uptrend and high momentum. Because the stock is already overbought as indicated by the moving average envelope with relative strength index and also stochastic indicator, the advised approach is to sell it in a few more days. However, be wary of abrupt reversals in the stock as it may have the momentum to suffer a loss, so set a stop loss around RM2.13 ringgit Malaysia, which is the initial support line. So even though the rate for this company is a sell, it is advisable to hold on for a little longer and prepare to sell because most indications are not closer to the exit price.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fatina Izzati binti Azhar. My matrix number 2020525249. So now we move to the Angkor Berhad. Angkor Berhad is founded in March 2000 and on 11 February 2003, it is being listed as the main market of Bursa Malaysia Security Berhad. The more famous property that produced by Angkor Berhad is such as the stand at Kota Damansara and Angkor Cahaya Alam in Shah Alam. The main goal of Angkor Berhad is want to achieve is they want to have happy, motivated and trained employees that deliver great quality, standard, value and service to the customer and make a differences to the community. In the market, Angkor Berhad is the company who give new standard in quality of innovative product and services to the other company. The graphic depicts Angkor moving average indicator in June and July 2021. As can be seen, a purchase signal will come on July 19, 2021. It because the price in a bullish pattern at the time, which could inspire a trader buy equities. Prior that, we can observe that a falling trend line become on June 2021. And this caused the price to fall. Today data reveals that the price has crossed the 0.315 ringgit resistance line. As a result, the price may bounce from the resistance line in the coming stage or continues to rise until it reaches the next resistance line. Furthermore, the ROC indicator that is a purchasing signal on 19/2021 is the reason for that the ROC value was increasing and crossing the zero line, indicating an uptrend pattern. The high price momentum happened at this indication. As a result, there is a chance that the ROC will rise again today and trader will be able to enter to this level. The RSI indicator that indicate the stock oversold. This is because the price less than 30%, signaling to the traders that they should buy the stock. Finally, stochastic has been used as a trading indicator. The use of stochastic on Angkor stock revealed that the stock is oversold on July 14, 2021. The price revealed that the K% line has fallen below 20%, indicating that the trader should buy the equities. Finally, 4 out of 5 indicators show that the price sent a buy signal to the traders for the future investment. As a result, a trader can buy Angkor Berhad and sell it when overbought, or a signal to sell appear, resulting in a profit. That's all from me. Thank you.